Hello and welcome to the demo of Tressa GPT. It's a 50 million parameter model which is trained on around 5 billion tokens. Okay, so it was a good experience. I learned end-to-end architecture of GPT model, how it generates the next token, the key query and query key and value vectors, and the feed-forward network, which how it works, internals of the GPT architecture. It was really fun and understood end-to-end architectures, a lot of points. So let's have a demo of this model. So let me ask this question. What are the primary colors? Name them. So what are the primary colors? Okay, so primary colors are blue and blue. I think it's hallucinating a little. So let's ask the same thing. So it's giving the answer. The primary colors are yellow, green, yellow, black, and blue. So I won't say it is really good, but it's giving coherent answers. That is what is to be noted. So next time I will have to increase the parameters and increase the training. When we go to around 80 million parameters, we will get a very good model. 80 million to even 1 billion, we get a model which is speaking good English and logical English basically, and giving logical answers. So let's ask another question. Okay, so explain how a hot air balloon works to a 5-year-old child. Seems like it is not a logical answer. Let me ask again. So as we can see, it is not giving so good answers. As I told you, it is a small model, it is not a big model, but you can see that the model is producing coherent English. The grammar, the structure, the subject, object, and everything, it is producing properly. We need to pump up the number of parameters to around more than around 80 million and even probably 1 billion parameters. Then I think it will create a great model. And also we need to plan out the data properly. What kind of data we are injecting. So basically we have to plan out the model very nicely. Let me ask another question. So there are hallucinations. The province is also known as District of Columbia provinces. It's not giving coherent answers. So let's ask it again. Okay, it's also giving the population. So as you can see, it is giving coherent answers, but sometimes they are not logical. So there's a good learning that we have to use we have to increase the parameters, and we have to give more brain to the model to understand English language more nicely. Hopefully you loved it. Thank you.